Okay, now see here. Stop writing. 12th one. Na? Everyone see the textbook now. Okay, read the question. Jor the.
Two APs from the same common differential. The difference between their 100th term is what is the difference between the
1000 term. So here, see, this is a now from now onwards, we will get different sums. Okay, whatever till now, whatever we did, this is totally different from that. Pure logic sums. Okay, so what he's saying, there are two implicit sums. Let's how he's saying means here. He's framing like this question: 5, 10, 15, 20. This is one first AP. This is my first AP. Second AP. Again one more I will take 2, 4, 6, 8. Understood? There are how many APs? There are two APs. The difference between the 100th term is how much it seems? 100. What I should find the difference between their 1000th term. Understood? And he is saying that the common difference is same it seems. Now here common difference is 5. Here it's missing 2. But actually the common difference is same it seems. How I can take here? One simple example I will take. Minus 1, 4, 9, 4, 14. Correct? Leave this AP. Now see this and this. How much is the common difference? How much is the common difference here? 5. Minus 1 to 4. Minus 1 to 4 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ 5 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. Yes or no? So the first term of first AP is how much? I will take it as A1. I will take this 5 as A1. This is the first term of first AP. Understood or no? See, like this no one will teach. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಿಳಿಯಂಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ A1 2 AP ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ತಿಳಿಯತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಾ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ತಿಳಿಯತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ AP. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ A1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ AP ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಸಾರಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ AP. Correct? This is my first AP. This is my second AP. So the second term, I will call this as A1. I will call this as A2. If I call both A1, tomorrow I will get confused. Yes or no? So I am calling this as A1. I am calling this as A2. Understood? And next, the common difference D. Common difference is how much? The common difference here I have took some numbers, so you are saying 5, but actually it is same or no? So common difference is not changing, so I will take it as a common difference. I will write like this: common difference is D. I will take it as D. Understood till here? Understood till here? Why did I take D? Means both common difference are same. Now read the question once again. Will it make sense or no? See the board. Read.
Two APs of the same common differential. The difference between
See here, two APs of the same common difference. Only I took D. Next.
the difference between their 100 terms.
Now this I should frame. Now this sentence I should frame. The difference between, now I will rub this, okay? If you want, just write this first. First AP, second AP. Take this. First AP, second AP. I will rub only this much. First AP, second AP. Take these numbers and write A1, A2. The difference between the 100th term and no sir. The difference between the
100 terms.
See the difference between this and this. So A1 means how will you write A1? Now first A100. This is from my first AP. This is from my first AP. How will I write A100? A1 plus 1990. Yes or no? Yes or no? Simple I am saying. A100 means A plus 1990. Why did I write A1 means I have took it as A1. You can check there. I have written that. Getting or no? So A1 plus 1990. Next. Second AP. Now what is my second AP? First A100 in second AP will become A2 plus 1990. Understood or no? Because their first term is A2. This is first AP, 100 term of first AP, 100 term of a second AP. No logic. Getting or no? If you understand the logic, it's very easy. Telag okay. Getting or no? So the difference between the first AP and second AP, how much is saying? 100. Okay, so the difference between the first, I will write this A1 plus 99D. This is the first AP 100. The difference between the first 100 minus the difference between the second A2 plus 99D is equal to how much? 100. Understood? The difference between the first AP and the second AP is 100. So first 100 means this is the answer. So only I have put this. Next this is the answer. So only I have put this. Okay, now A1 as it is plus 99D minus into plus minus A2 minus into plus minus 99D is equal to 100. Now what can I cancel? Plus 99D minus 99D. Yes or no? A1 minus A2 is equal to minus A2 is equal to how much? 100. This is my equation 3. I will take this as first equation. Equation 2. If you want to write long, you can write like this: A100 minus A100. Again, you will get confused. So I didn't write that. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 200 correct? If I write A100 minus of A100 is equal to 100, it will not make sense. This is first AP is 100, A100. This is second AP is A100. So first AP is A100 minus second AP is A100 is equal to how much? 100. Understood? Understood till here? Okay, next. Now what he's saying to find means he's asking me 8,000 of first AP. How will I write 8,000 of first AP? First AP. Very good. A1 plus 999 D. Not simple logic. Don't get confused. Bad is it? Very, very easy. Simple logic is there. If you understand the simple logic, we'll do the sum. Okay. Equation 4. Next. Second AP. How you will write A100? Sorry, 8,000. How will write A2 plus 999 D. This is my equation 2. Whatever I did here, same I should repeat. Getting or no? No. Huh? 5. Sorry. Okay. So now this minus this I should do. So this is what A1 plus 999 D minus of V2 plus is equal to how much? Question mark. That only I am finding. Is equal to question mark. That only I am finding. Understood or no? Now cancellation. A1 plus 999D as it is minus plus into minus minus A2 plus into minus minus 99D is equal to question mark. What can I cancel? 999D will get cancelled. Now what is remaining? A1 minus A2 is equal to question mark. Now from the third equation, what is my A1 is minus A2? So from equation 3, A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. Easy? Getting or no? Once if you understand the pattern, it is very easy to do that, sir. Understanding the pattern, practicing that is important. Okay, right.